What's up, guys? It's me, Leafy, and I'm back here with some gameplay of... Oh, hey, I already know that. Some gameplay of Watch Dogs, as you Oh, chairs. What does this mean? What does this mean? Open that door. I want to ride this horse. Let me ride. Anyways. Alright, this is some gameplay of Watch Dogs. What else? As you've seen, well, I lost the first video, so you won't be able to see all
Where
of
are
it.
you, Jordy?
But, yeah, I'm really interested in this game. It's really fun. I wish you could. I don't know. I really like it.
Deals in pre-owned cars. Got a real beauty waiting for you in the garage across the street. Take it or leave it. I don't care. Gotta go.
Garage across the street. Wait, what? Where am I going? Oh, I'm going this way. Right? Not available. Look down.
Can you believe this? No lights, no nothing. I never seen anything like this.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't believe they took out the game. Oh, what jerks. Hey, look, it's cop cars. That's interesting. Get on my way, homie. Oh, what? Parkour. Oh, yeah. Oh, the music, man. Get me that car, homie. Let's see how good I am at driving. Alright, driving. Accelerate, brake, reverse, handbrake, exit to look behind you, and then change cameras. Alright, accelerate, brake. Alright. Change camera. Oh god. Woo! No, I want... Oh my god. What is this? Oh gosh. Give me that I just jumped out of my car, homie. Get out of my way. Hack those traffic lights. Suck it, homie. Oh, I don't want to kill you. Oh god. Oh god. Can't I just like pop into something? Drift. Oh, hey. Get off of me. Traffic lights.
Stop now.
Get into the wall. Get into the wall. Oh my gosh. How am I getting away from these cops? I want to get a cop car now. Stupid cops, you never get me. Ah, ah. Pizza? Who wants pizza? Oh god. Oh god.
Got a patrol car in pursuit of
Oh god.
suspect.
Oh god, I'm out of here. Oh, I just died. I want to get a cop car now. I want it so much. They'll probably never catch me. Or like a really nice car, like a Lamborghini. Lamborghini. I don't know, I just want a nice car. Pretty. Climb that thing. Ooh, a blue car. I know. Give me that thing. Look at this. Drift. Garbage truck. What is double rainbow all the way? Take you down. Give me that car. Woo! Woo! Ha 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 ha. Take it, homie. You can't catch me now. You can't catch me now. Yes. Yes. Ah! Ah! I love this. Oh, police cars. Whee! I'm out of here. Tree. I don't know what happens when I hit those traffic lights. Woo! Oh my god, I am fuming up in here. Oh. Man, I am such a great driver right now. Off-road. Oh yeah, off-road, homie. Oh no. Stop shooting at me.
A patrol car's been dispatched after the suspect.
I'm gonna die. Off-road is not good. Off-road is not good. I don't care if I'm connected. I want to get into this. Give me your car. Woo! Give me that van. Oh my gosh. Get in there. This van is so slow. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Wrong way, haha. I'm a wrong way driver. No. Do you seriously think I'll pull over? Maybe if I was an old grandma who was confused. Maybe, but no, I'm not an old grandma who's confused. Off-road. Give me that car. Give me that car. Give me that car. Oh yeah, look at this nice car. Look at this nice ride.
We will shoot you. I need help.
Uy. Estoy haciendo un video. Pues sí, lo hago uno casi cada día.
Uno cada día, uno cada media hora.
No, es que los otros no salieron buenos. No me gustaron.
Te dije que quiero el cuarto limpio.
Ya sé.
Ya sé que...
Estoy haciendo un video, ma. Te están escuchando. Te están escuchando. Ma, diga hola. Sí, ma. Oh my gosh, I'm so sweaty right now. Alright, let's resume this game. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. Yep, that was my mom asking what I was doing while I was yelling and crap. And I'm like, Mom, I'm making a video. And then she's like, clean your room. I'm like, I will, ma. Oh gosh.
I'll try to spin him.
Donut holes. Oh! Police on police crash. My goodness. I don't care.
Shit, he's got...
Take down. Give me that car. Oh yeah, another police car. Can't hurt me now. That's what you get for racing, homie. You don't drag race. Ow. Oh, good thing I have these pieces of wood. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm such a good driver, man. Such a good driver. Alright, somehow I got over that. Woo! Alright guys, well this is where I have to leave off.
Copy that.
I hope you
Patrol
watch the
car
rest
is
of
en
my
route to the
videos. Good night.
suspect.